Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Alright, let's start like this. Are you an influencer? Then go influence your people. Are you a promoter? Then go promote to your people. Okay, so just follow these simple instructions if you want to make some money or if you want to make some money for your subscribers. Okay, so have a look. If you have the power to present and promote a product, this is one easy product that you can sell. It's easy. And have a look. The title, it's simple. We can grow 1000x from this point. Follow these instructions and have a look. Okay? Go on pinksale.finance. Pinksale.finance. Okay? Go in here, Launchpad. Go in here, Launchpad list. Okay? It will show you a list. I'll ask you kindly these four digits: G P T T, GPT token. Okay, the symbol is actually GPTX, but the token name is GPT token. And click on View Pool. Okay, we are on sale live. View the pool. Follow these. Read. All the instructions are here. Our project can go even higher than 100x. I'm talking about higher than 10,000% of this value from now. Okay, so I'll show you immediately. We got 3 days and 10 hours more on this sale, but have a look at the numbers. That's what I'm telling you. Okay, GPTX, we are only 5 contributors right now, so just 5 investors, small investors, but don't worry about it. Read this line: initial market cap estimated at $226. From this point we can grow 1000x because the market cap can grow to $226,000. But what if we go to 2.2 million? It's even higher, which means 10,000x. Do the math. Okay, our soft cap is 40 BNB. But again, let me teach you one thing. Okay, affiliate link. Let me tell you what you do. When you came to this page, I'm asking you kindly to open your MetaMask. It's free. You can have zero money in there. There's no problem. These will connect to your MetaMask, and PinkSale, the company, the Launchpad company, will create you a referral link. Okay, so you scroll down, or either you click on these, see affiliate detail. I click on these and it takes me to here, affiliate program. Right now, just one guy gave away his link. So, affiliate link, copy it, copy, and then just to give you an example, go here on Telegram or anywhere else and have a look. I wanna send it to my people or to anybody else. Look how does it show. Okay, it shows like this. I will paste it here. Okay, so I paste it and have a look. It looks this format, which means PinkSale. It takes to our contract, but at the end it has the referral ID, which is my wallet, OX3 BFC, and at the end is BDCC. Do you see this here? Which means that everybody who uses my link and buys GPTS tokens is getting 8%. Okay, so I spread these all over the place, to Facebook, to Twitter, to Insta, and I'm making 8%. And again, have a look, 8% referral fee. It's 8% commission. Easy to be done. Just follow the instructions. Have a look. All of these, the pre-sale are 30% of the tokens. In here, liquidity will, these 19% will go to PancakeSwap on Tuesday. These May 15, they are 32% locked. You can look on in here to see, because we locked it for 3 years. Every 4 months we unlock 4%. So we have different um, eight different locks on 4 months each. Okay, so it's 4 million GPTX tokens locked for they are vested for 3 years. Okay, in here we have Gate.io. We have to give some money to inject some money on Gate.io in an exchange. Here we pay 3% to YouTubers and marketing guys, influencers like you. Here we locked 3% to the team. Here, this is the only thing it's unlocked. And we burned 6%. Again, I repeat, we burned already 6% of our token. Okay, so my advice to you, if you are an influencer, start influencing. It's easy money to be made on our project with 8% commission. We're not gonna run away. We are here to stay. We're locked for so many years. And have a look, we scout for startups. We invest in beautiful startups, and when we find some good deals, okay, we buy back 4% of GPTX and we burn 2%. So we're expecting to find about 15 startups this year. Next year there'll be more. So we invest and we buy back our own token and we burn 2% of our own tokens, just to show you that we are deflationary, and the value of our token will increase. Because if you are a VIP holder, like if you have a good amount of GPTX, we give you tokens. Like today, we give you free Genie tokens. Remember, we invest, and you'll see Genie, it's one of our investors. Okay, I'll show you. So go to genie.gg and you'll see their performance. Okay, so that's kind of it for today. Thank you very much for your attention and have a profitable day.